How many times have you called your child smart but lazy? Your child is smart, period. What they need is direction. Hi, my name is Taskeen. I was a university gold medalist. I worked as a software engineer for 8 years, a digital content creator for 6. I'm a certified career counselor and I run a YouTube channel with 3.2 million subscribers. But none of this will matter to your child because the only career counselor your child needs is you. You're watching this video, which means you want to talk to your kids about their career. The problem is most parents do this once their kid reaches 11th or 12th grade, when kids also have to deal with boards, entrance exams, and the stress of getting admitted into a college. What's worse is if by any chance you and your child discover a career you like, but you find out that it requires a mandatory subject. For example, maths in India, calculus in Canada, AP calculus in US, and you hadn't chosen it in 11th, then you cannot go back and change it. So if you're a parent or an elder sibling of a student who's anywhere between 7 to 10 standard or younger, then welcome. This video is for you. Today, by the end of this video, you'll know the 2 simple steps to take to be the career guide your child deserves. But before we begin, make sure you hit that like button because it tells me that I should keep making more videos. Without further ado, let's begin. The 2 simple steps to take to help your kids explore various careers and be prepared are these. Step number 1 is to develop essential skills through activities. For example, enrolling them in a debate club can improve their critical thinking skills. They'll learn time management by being involved in extracurricular activities. And getting them involved in house budgeting can impart financial literacy. I know this looks like a lot, but to get started, just get them involved in popular local activities. For example, in Canada, most parents enroll their kids in soccer or ice skating during winters. They say that it teaches their kids teamwork and leadership skills. In the USA, basketball or baseball are common choices. In Dubai, there are robotics clubs. While in India, summer classes that offer a taste of everything from cooking to coding are popular options. In fact, comment below and tell me what activities you've already or are thinking about enrolling your child in, so that we all learn and understand what parents around the world are teaching their kids. There are 5 advantages of such activities. Kids develop a skill. They use the method of elimination to figure out what they're not interested in. Third, it helps them realize that a career demands more effort than what is often portrayed by social media influencers. Kids tell me they want to become gaming YouTubers or vloggers because it's the easiest way to fame and money. Okay, if they're in the 7th standard, let them become a YouTuber. And learn the dedication and discipline it takes to get those likes and follows, because now they have the time to try, learn, and figure out if this is their cup of tea or not. Either way, they'll learn skills like graphic design, video editing. Plus, if they face those online bullies, then right now they have you for guidance. But the biggest advantage of these skill activities is to build adaptability. We moved to a new country, Canada, when both of us were 35 plus. Set in our ways and not at the age where you actively make new friends. And that's a recipe for loneliness. But that's where the skills and extracurricular activities we were involved in back home helped us in building a network here, be it through Toastmasters, hiking group, finance club, or even the amateur radio club. And last but not the least, the immediate advantage is your kids' admission into universities. Many folks will have the same test scores and same grades. But these extracurricular activities over a span of 2 to 3 years and stories of what excites them, how they excelled, failed, and tried again is what will make your kids' profile stand out. Especially in a flood of applications where 6-month extracurricular activities were added as a last-ditch effort for admission. So step number 1 is to develop skills through activities. And step number 2 is to discover various careers. When I was in my 10th, I learned typewriting and passed lower and higher because my mom thought those were the jobs I'd be applying to. I didn't. On the same lines, there's so many jobs today that back when we were graduating did not exist, like these. Some of these jobs are stream neutral. Some need specific subjects like maths, and some need a beautiful combination of interdisciplinary subjects like psychology with technology, data analysis with journalism, medicine with computer science. Even some stable careers like law, fashion design, nursing, architecture make us a little uncomfortable because nobody in our family knew about it. But as parents, it's our job that our fears do not get in the way of our child's career. And to not fear a career, you first need to learn more about it. Which is where our company comes in. At Chickat, Through our Career of the Week newsletter, we send you everything you need to know about a career. Let's say we're talking about cybersecurity or journalism, then that newsletter will include what is cybersecurity and what do these professionals do? What skills your kid can develop now to figure out if this career is right for them? Mandatory subjects to choose in your 11th, minimum scores and cutoff to maintain to pursue a degree in that field. A quiz to determine if your child's personality would match with that career. What alternate careers can become possible with that UG degree? Job opportunities all around the world. And all of this information is backed up from credible sources, aka industry experts who are working in that role right now. Just go to our website, chicker.in. You can see the details that will be provided in the newsletter. You can even download a sample newsletter by clicking on this button right here. As you can see, the newsletter contains information about the career, educational details, job opportunities, but most importantly, it mentions specific activities that you can do along with your child to help them get a taste of that role, along with building their skills and confidence. Most parents I've spoken to tell me that our education system judges a fish by its ability to climb a tree. I understand hard work is important, but it's equally important to invest in figuring out which career would suit a child's personality and aptitude, which would ultimately motivate the child to pursue it seriously. And we understand that you invest heavily in your job, family, house, kids, which is why we at Chikat respect your time and provide you with bite-sized credible information about careers so that you have fun conversations with your kids who will eventually find their way. Currently, we are only accepting a small number of parents to make this newsletter accessible to, so that we can work together to find out what career would suit your child best. So if you're interested, visit our website, chikat.in. The link is in the description. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. We at Chikat make the parents capable of guiding their children because we know that you care more than any career counselor could. I'm Taskeen. This is The Urban Fight. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. And I'll see you in the next video.